Hello, my laugh-loving pals. You've landed on my YouTube channel, the ultimate destination for construction comedy that'll leave you in stitches. We've hunted through social media to unearth clips so hilarious they'd make a cement mixer blush. From worksite wipeouts to moments that defy physics, we're delivering daily doses of laughter. Subscribe now. Drop your own funny stories in the comments, and let's get this laughter party started. Yo, you chuckle crusaders! How wild were those construction moments? Did my crew of worksite clowns have you howling so loud you startled your neighbors? Hang tight, the next clips are gonna be funnier than a cement mixer moonlighting as a comedian. Expect workers tripping over their own egos and tools staging their own prank show. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like missing the best punchline ever. Haha! Smash subscribe, share your wildest reactions, and let's keep this comedy site buzzing.
Let me tell you this, the older you do get, the more rules are gonna try to get you to follow. Look, trick. Shows how to suck that, and then look at that. It's time to go home. Been a stressful day, huh?
Tecnologia.
That's all for now, folks. If you're not giggling, you're tougher than my mom's meatloaf. Thanks for watching. 7 p.m. tomorrow.